Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nadira Badrum. Here go to Tech Savvy, virtual assistant, providing administrative and social media support to business owners and content creators globally in different time zones. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a digital vision board using Visme. A digital vision board is a collection of images, words, and affirmations that represent your goals and dreams. Digital vision boards can easily be edited, updated depending on the changes of your dreams and goals, hence making them a versatile and flexible tool for goal setting. It is easier to share a digital vision board with others, which can help you to stay motivated and accountable. A vision board also helps you to break down your goals into smaller and manageable steps and identifying the obstacles that are preventing you from achieving your goals. Here are some tips for creating a digital vision board. 1. Start by brainstorming your goals and your dreams. What do you want to achieve in your life? What are your values? What are you passionate about? Once you're done brainstorming your goals, list them down on a paper or use a digital platform such as Notion. Next, start collecting images, words, and affirmations that represent your goals and your dreams. I normally use Pinterest to create a digital vision board. Let's also use my personal photos. Here is a list of some ideal vision boards you can create. You can create a digital vision board for your career, your personal life, your health and wellness, finances, and much more. I personally create a digital vision board for all categories of my life. I personally create a digital vision board for a year or 6 months. But you are free to create a digital vision board for a month, for a week, depending on your goals and dreams. When creating a digital vision board, it's important to be specific and intentional about what you want to achieve. The more specific you are, the easier it will be to stay motivated and focused on your goals. It's really important to make sure that your digital vision board is positive and uplifting. In this tutorial, I'm going to be using Visme to create a digital vision board. So let's go into the tutorial. I'm going to create a vision board for 6 months, covering all categories of my life. I'm going to go on Pinterest to download images, ideas, and affirmations that express the kind of goals and dreams I want to achieve within 6 months. So I'm going to create a new project, create new, then I'm going to customize size. I'm going to create a desktop wallpaper size. So I'm going to go here on custom size. I'm going to create for myself a custom size for a desktop wallpaper. Do not forget to label your project. I'm going to be uploading the files that I'm going to be using. I'm going to use a photo grid. I'm going to go on basics, then click on photo grid. Basically here you can choose the kind of grid you're going to use in your vision board. So now that you're done arranging your vision board, you can zoom in to see what you have created, what needs editing. When you're done with this, you're now good to go. You can now download your vision board and set it as a desktop wallpaper on your laptop or on your computer. So this is how your wallpaper will look on your desktop. If you need to make some changes, you can go back on Visme and make some changes. Go on your computer settings, click on set as. You can select lock screen, background. You can now set it as a lock screen or a background and you go to go. If you need a tutorial on how to create a digital vision board for your mobile phone, comment down below. If you found this tutorial helpful, kindly do not forget to put a thumbs up, and if you're new here, kindly subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.